Guys, it's me Ems, and on my last video, sorry, a bit too far forward. On my last video you'll probably remember the magpie that I showed you. Well, yesterday she flew away and she is out there still. She's in one of the trees and she's doing really well. She's had a few issues with the other magpies, but I've sorted all that out. And on my other video you'll probably remember the jackdaw chick that we found. When we went back there, we walked past yesterday and he was on the road. So we moved out of the road and we've left him. But we did find another one that's pretty much nigh on dead when we found it, sitting in a rabbit hole, all hunkered down, and it's not got many feathers. But checked it this morning. We took it home, and I checked it this morning, and it's absolutely fine. So I'm just going to be showing you. I'm going to let you guys see it, and I just need to make up her food quick. So 1 sec, sorry. Coconut. So the food is, we're using dog food. It's just plain dog food because they're scavengers, so this would be normal diet, not dog food, but meat. And I'm just going to use a fork and just get not that much out. I'm just going to put it in this little container. I'm just going to mash it around a bit. It doesn't have to be mashed around too much, just a little bit, just enough to make it easy for her to eat. That'll be fine. So let's go see her. And I'll try and find the magpie too because she flew away again. So I actually kind of don't. Just chuck dog food everywhere. Just grab that bit. There. So I'm not actually sure where she is at the moment. I've got the little container of food. Oh, I can hear her. Birdo. Well, I can see her, but I can't. No, I'm not going to be able to show you. Bummer. Oh, it's a shame. Sorry about that. Hello. So this is, I'm just coming in here, sorry, 1 sec. Just come in here. This is the little jackdaw chick. And this is the second one. And she is quite young actually, she's younger than the other one. So I'll take her out for you. I'm talking really quiet, I don't want to spook her too much. So I'll grab her out, I just need to get some it. Always wear gloves. Just don't do what I just did, which is drop them in a container of water. It's not the best idea. And the cute thing about her is she does have a little bald patch just like above her beak, which you'll be able to see when I take her out. Don't know why the magpie's got to. And if you live in like the Enham area, you'll know where the sports field is, and today there's an event up there. And I'll be down there, and I have a stall down there and everything, talking about my animal things, so you can probably see me if you come down. Where is she? She does have some bruising on her left leg. So here she is. See her little ball patch just there. She's very sweet. And, alright, quite aggressive. You're not going to do it now. She does attack quite a bit, so it's nice that she's aggressive. But she's really thin, you can feel the keel just there. I am holding her, it looks like I might be squeezing her, not, it's really light. And you can probably, in the background, you can probably hear the magpies. Alright. So yeah. She's very cute. And I got her yesterday at 4 o'clock, so I've had her since yesterday. And usually the first nights are the first night is usually the night where if they will die, they most likely died that night. So she made it through the hardest night, but now she's just got to do the rest. She's very, alright. I'll pop her back in a sec, I don't think she wants to be out much. This is her bruised leg. She does grip on it fine. There. She's got my finger tight. That. I'm not letting go of that finger. I would set her down like that, but I don't want her to slip off like she did yesterday. What are you doing? Yeah, there you go. You're awake now, aren't you? And she realised that I'd let go. Shh, 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 shh. So yeah, she's very tatty, and if I let one wing loose, it's only just starting to get the feathers through, and you can see it up there and everything. That is amazing. Well, it's not amazing for the bird. She's so thin. Hang on, shh, shh, shh. One sec. You can actually see the bone there, that big long bit. That's crazy. Right, so I'm going to pop her back now. She's got food in there. And I just put in my food. In you go. So let me just work out where I actually put the food. Anyone know where I put the food? Oh, there it is. One sec, sorry. No, that's not. I don't know what I've done with the food. Oh, so I'm going to pop the food in for her. She's got a container in there already, so just goes back in. Ew. Empty. What are you doing? And the money that I raised by selling all my things today is going to go towards helping me set up my own wildlife rescue next year when I'm 14, and the money will be paying for cages, syringes, more gloves, basically everything I need. So yeah, going to be a long... she's not ready to go yet, not anywhere near ready to leave, so we are going to have her for quite a long period of time. I'd say about a month. Let's see if I can work out where that magpie is, because I really want to show you how well she's coming on. She left. No, I can't see her. She did leave, I will admit, in an amazing way. She flew onto my head, pooed on my ear, and then flew away. So, yeah. I have washed my hair. So, that's all for today, guys. So, thanks for watching. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye!